8A. This is the Pixel 8A. Let's unbox it. What's up, internet? I'm Brian McDuff, aka BMac, and welcome to another video. So yes, indeed, today I do have the Pixel 8A in my hands, and per usual on this channel, you know, whenever we get a new smartphone, gotta unbox it. So I shall do that, but before I get into that, first things first, I do need to give a huge thank you and a shout out to Google for actually sending out this gift from Google for me to be able to check out and enjoy. So Google, thank you. I appreciate you. But with that having been said, time to unbox. Quick look at the box, you can see what the Pixel 8A looks like. Of course, on the front of the box right there with the Google logo and Pixel 8A. This, of course, is in the porcelain color. Very excited to see what that looks like in my hand. Pixel 8A on the right side of the box. Google logo on the left side of the box. Google logo on top. IMEI, serial number information, all that good stuff on the bottom. But you don't care about any of that, do you? You care about what's in the box, not on the box, what's in the box. So of course, it is time to actually unbox the box right now. 1, 2, and we are good. The unveiling of the Pixel 8A. The Pixel 8A in the porcelain color with the ever so recognizable camera band on the back there. Woo! I'm excited. Okay, center yourself, BMac, come on. We're gonna carefully take the Pixel 8A out and put it off to the side for just a second, see what else comes in the box itself. And you will see, first thing we do have here is a USB-A to USB-C converter. Pretty cool that we're still getting these in the boxes of the Pixel devices. You can never have enough of these lying around, I'm telling you. You're also gonna see your USB-C cable here, and this is going to be about, it's about a 3-foot USB-C to USB-C cable. And then you're also gonna notice a little box right here, which includes your SIM card, where'd it go? SIM card ejection tool, also very handy to have, multiple of those lying around. And then within this little Google box with the Google logo, we are going to see, upon opening this up, you're gonna have a little, this is just a little paper giving you some website addresses for different kind of options for switching your Pixel, help, support, all that good stuff. And then this other little packet of information right here is just a safety, warranty, and regulatory guide for the Pixel 8A. You could choose to read through that if you want. But that is all that comes in the Pixel 8A box. We shall take a closer look at the star of the show, right here, the Pixel 8A. All right, we do have some paper to remove here on the front, but we shall remove the paper. The Pixel 8A, ooh, baby. Oh, this matte back, I'm loving it. Complemented pretty much perfectly by this full width camera band on the back, this silver matching camera band, which you will notice also matches the color of the slightly curved edges of the device itself. But you know what we gotta do? Gotta turn it on. So let's do that. Boom. The Google logo. So we're currently on the setup screen here, but you know how it works on this channel. I'm not gonna walk you through that boring process. You're gonna be doing it yourself anyway. So I'm gonna snap my fingers, it's all gonna be set up for you. Little magic, and it's set up. The Pixel 8A being turned on and used for the first time. Whew. I don't know what it is about Pixel phones. I'm always so darn excited to try them out. I think some of it has to do with just how fun and reliable they are, let alone how great the camera system always seems to be. There's just so much with Pixel devices to be excited about. And of course, if you're not doing so already, please remember to smash that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so that when the review video for the Pixel 8A drops on this channel, you could be one of the first to see it. And as always, for the latest deals, prices, promos, and information for the Pixel 8A, you could of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/pixel8a, or of course there's gonna be clickable links in the video description box and in the comment section below, so check those out. And now we got the whole family going here. My goodness, I'm gonna have a paradox of choice. I don't know which one I'm gonna choose. Pixel 8A, meet your family. Hi, happy to be here. Welcome, we're happy to have you here. Ha ha ha. Apparently that's how the Pixel smartphones would sound. I will see you guys in my next video.